The Astronomia Solar Zodiac celebrates the solar system and the zodiac with a high watchmaking double-access tourbillon and precious stones that represent the Sun and the planets. The famous double-access tourbillon makes one complete revolution around the dial in 10 minutes, while rotating on itself in 60 seconds. The Jacob-cut Citrine sun with its 288 facets sits on top of the movement, while everything rotates around it. The hour and minute dial, featuring all 12 zodiac signs, makes one revolution around the dial in 10 minutes and uses a patented differential to make sure the time display orientation is always correct. The rose gold and blue lacquered globe, which turns on itself in 60 seconds, and the three precious gemstones, amethyst, topaz and peridot, rotate clockwise one turn in 10 minutes. The aventurine base of the Astronomia Solar Zodiac rotates counterclockwise 360 degrees in 10 minutes, carrying 7 planets made of cabochon-cut precious stone half-spheres. White granite for Mercury, rhodonite for Venus, red jasper for Mars, petersite for Jupiter, tiger eye for Saturn, with 18-carat rose gold applique for the rings, blue calcite for Uranus, and lapis lazuli for Neptune. One bow is for winding. The other is for setting the time. The Astronomia Solar puts the solar system on your wrist. The face of the watch is always changing, and it will change the way you look at luxury watches.